Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this really quick video we're just addressing the simple but often asked question from our customers, which is why does the bread from my Panasonic bread maker go stale so quickly? And there's a really simple logical explanation for it. Often when people are making bread at home, they compare that bread to what they buy in the supermarkets. And more often than not, the bread in your supermarkets is full with preservatives and a few other ingredients that extend the lifespan of your bread. But when you're making bread at home in a bread maker, you're not adding any of those ingredients. You're just adding the basic ingredients for bread with no preservatives. And that's why your bread will go stale much quicker at home than the bread you buy in the supermarkets. And that's a good thing. That means your bread doesn't have preservatives in. So that is one of the questions we're asked most by our customers. And as I say, it's just because the lack of preservatives. I hope that helps, hope that makes sense. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.